Hi guys, it's me again, Ashanti. So, I make these separate videos for how to do all this, so for the DIY and instructions step by step. But before we start doing this, I would like to remind all of you that you have to be extra careful doing this because this is a really dangerous chemicals and solutions which you're doing it also in sensitive parts or area of your body in your eyes. So you better be really extra careful doing this. So once again, don't ever let this chemical touch your skin, your eye liners, your waterline. So don't let that get contact on your skin. And if ever you're feeling something while doing this, you have to stop it. If you feel like something is burning or itchy, that's the cue and that's the sign that you better stop it and don't continue doing it. So okay, let's get started. Let's do some DIY because you're home alone. So this is the box. This is the Lash Lift Kit. This is what is inside. An iPods. So a paper that you put in your eye and a brush. So there comes two kind of brush, one tiny one and one eyelash brush. A lash comb, lift pads, lash coating, lash cleanser, and lash adhesive. I don't know, but I'm really afraid. Use the cleaning liquid to remove oil, dust, and makeup residue. This doesn't even say if I have to use the brush or... Anyway. So I think that's okay. I wish. Really scared. So apply the iPads under the eyelids to protect your skin from the firming lotion if you have a sensitive skin. I'm really afraid. Put glue on the lift pads, then place it on the upper part of the eyelid and make it sure it stays. I'm really nervous. Use the perm lotion number 1 on the eyelash and then cover your eyes with a plastic paper wrapper to dry. Perming time 5 to 8 minutes. So as you see, I'm trying to avoid to touch the roots of my eyelash because that's gonna be my waterline already. I'm avoiding the screen to have contact to my skin, so I'm just doing it here. I don't even know if I'm doing it right, but it said here I have to cover this with plastic, which I don't have plastic. So meaning to say I have to I don't have plastic, but I have foil, so I guess it will be fine. I'm gonna start the timer. It said here 8 minutes. I'm not feeling anything, so I guess we're gonna continue this. Because I'm planning to stop doing this when I feel something like itchy or stings or whatsoever. So I not feel anything. I'm just a little bit uncomfortable with these pads here. But anyway. Because normally you just have to close your eyes. If you just close your eyes, you don't feel anything. But while doing this to yourself, these pads is really annoying. But anyway, so we wait 5 more minutes. It said in my timer. So it said here. I forgot the number 4. Apply the glue on the eyelash to keep it stuck to the lip pads. Okay. Whatever. So it's time already. Oh my god. I didn't do it well. Next step. Use the fixing lotion number 2 on the eyelash and then cover your eyes with a plastic paper wrapper to dry. Fixing time 5 to 8 minutes again. So I'll do the fixing lotion and leave it again for 8 minutes. It said here. Somehow they're lifted already. Because you know how dangerous is this? This is really a really dangerous chemical. So if you do this on your own, you have to be extra careful because you're playing with a really dangerous chemical. So I start the 8 minutes again, the timer, and I wait 8 minutes again. So the timer is up. So the timer is up. And it said here that's done. So now it's all done. Remove the lift pads from the upper part of your eyelid. And then use the coating lotion number 3 to help hydrate, strengthen, and for eyelash regrowth. It's okay, and this must touch your skin because of the roots. So now, use the cleanser solution number 4 to clean all of the perm residue. So I'm gonna try it again to the other side, but this time I'm gonna do what I forget the last time. So I'm gonna glue the lift pads to my eyelids and my eyelashes to the lip pads also. This is how it's supposed to be. So I put the glue on these lip pads and stick my eyelashes. So this is how it's supposed to be. So I think this is gonna be a little bit more easier to apply all that solutions. So if the eyelashes was stuck with the glue in your lip pads, then you cannot brush it like this way. You have to use this small tiny brush to get the thing. So I'm gonna do it all over again in this side with this kind of method. I think we're gonna do it better by this time. So somehow this is more easier than what I did a while ago. So I can really ensure that everything is on my eyelashes. Look at that. I think this really makes sense to glue the eyelashes on the lip pads because you really ensure that you soak all the strands of your eyelashes with these chemicals. So, in fairness, so this is the first that we did, and this is the second. Look at that. In fairness, I got it really well here. So now that's it. I don't know. Now you see it. This really gives a boost to my eyelashes. I really boost and lift like that. So I kind of like it, but it's kind of exaggerated. But you just have to avoid this liquid and this or this solution to touch and get contact to your skin, because this is really dangerous. So you girls have to be extra careful doing this to yourself. So yeah, anyway, but thank you for watching, and see you again next time. Don't forget to watch my other videos, and don't forget to click like and subscribe. Bye.